How do I modify existing event properties without losing historical data?
I think this kind of also touches on Thora's point of consolidating events. That consolidation is not necessarily just for events, right? You can do that for properties as well. When you merge properties, you can merge multiple properties into a single property that will be sending going forward. I think as your taxonomy expands, I shouldn't say it's expected, but it happens a number of times that you unintentionally changed your property name and now you have the same property showing up with multiple names. Merging property allows you to retain that historical data and going forward, use a new name that you might have merged into. So merging applies to properties as well, and that's the solution you should be looking at for retaining that historical data. Although I do have a call out on this. When you merge events or when you merge properties, it's a query time change within Amplitude. So whenever you're building charts, we would apply those merges at query time. What that means is if you are forwarding data outside of Amplitude, those changes don't flow downstream. So if you've made any merges, if you've built any custom events in Amplitude, make sure you're keeping a log of those. If you have data in your warehouses, those merges won't show up in your warehouses where you're sending data. So keep a track of those. If you've merged something in Amplitude, make sure you're passing those changes down to your warehouses. It's a manual effort for now, but yes, merging is what you would use for maintaining a historical context.